Stand. Got that on video. By the way.
They're kind of standing on.
Okay.
Matt called me. Did he? Yeah, so, what's this I hear that you are the one with the puppies?
Yeah, he loves our dog.
And I said, well, I don't have any yet, but I said, as soon as I have them,
His little girl wants to bring her home, and I said, no,
we'll let
you gotta
you
go,
know.
Anna.
So I'm sure they'll be coming out to visit. Because I don't care. Anybody can come out and see them even right when they're after they're born.
Yeah.
But she's been doing really good. And I feel, I can, like, she'll lay over and I can feel their little heads, their little butts or whatever every once in a while.
Good.
So,
I hope that, he can get one.
Garage has
pretty
been her
excited.
good, her safe place. But she's been hanging out.